Hello, my name is Candida Jagger and I'm a first-time mom who loves to share good things as we discover them. Today I'm going to share with you our product review on the Sorbus Daybed Hammock. Alright, I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to set up and take down. So basically I had a hammock already, so I already had the eye hooks and the hook and the chain already, because this would connect the one end of the hammock and then I connected it to the other side on that tree there. So I already had the chain and the hook in place. And basically this thing came, there was some assembly required. So it's basically a steel ring that connects together. I do have pictures in the article, but it's a steel ring that connects together with these screws and then basically slips into this slip cover here that has a zipper, and it comes assembled exactly as you see it, besides assembling the ring and slipping the ring into the cover. So all the ropes and everything are already in place. And basically once I got the ring in there, I just opened up the chain and slipped it through, and then you could just kind of like hang this up in your garage or basement as is, especially if you have like heavy rain in the forecast. So that's what I do, if I remember, of course. I don't always remember. So if it does stay out and get in the rain, it dries out really quickly. So I just slip the chain through and I loop it back around. Just like that. And Silas loves this daybed hammock, don't you, Silas? Loves to swing on it, and we can both fit on it comfortably. You want to show how we do it? You want to come up here? Come up here. No? Let's show how much room we have. Look at all this room. We can snuggle and play and lounge away the afternoon, right? Oh. I like the fact that he can climb up there himself, nice and low to the ground, but yet it still has room to freely swing. Whee! Okay, I also want to show you, if you do not have like the chain and the hook, let's say you wanted to just take this to the park somewhere. I want to show you how you can use hammock straps, which makes it virtually portable anywhere. So this is a do-it-yourself trampoline swing that I created. I also have an article on that that's available to read on the Fun Times Guide. But we just wanted a little bit more room. This one is awesome for swinging. But I want to show you the hammock strap. So basically you would take 2 hammock straps just to disperse, to make sure you have enough support. But basically hammock straps have all these little linking loops that make it virtually adaptable to any length. But what I do is I just loop it through. Oh, can you let go, honey?
No.
No. I would loop it through like this. Okay, honey. And then I would grab, oh, I just need to grab my giant carabiner here. So this is the one I had for my existing hammock. And I would, oh, can Mama get up there? Ooh, that could have gone really bad. Alright, so I would loop this through, and I would leave the big end like that, and then you get the idea. I would just loop this carabiner through the rope end of the Sorbus hammock and virtually take it to any park that has a proper overhead tree support. Okay, so shall we say goodbye? Alright, well, we hope you like this video. Remember, if you like the video, to like it or subscribe to my channel. and we will see you again.